Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I just wanted to show you the new releases that came out this last week. I think they're just so cute, and they are St. Patrick's Day themed. I did draw all of the doodles myself by hand, no computer help other than importing it into my program and doing the coloring and stuff like that. But the actual doodles are drawn by me with pen and pencil, which I don't think a lot of people know that about my stuff. Anyways, so I think it's really cute. I have Kat here. She's got her little clover instead of a heart, and in her bow she has a little horseshoe and just some fun quotes. Here is the bottom washi, which I think turned out really cute, and it's just a bunch of rainbows. Then we have the kind of functional and date covers stuff, more functional things. And I really like the colors. I feel like so many like St. Patrick's Day are very like harsh and like really dark green, and I wanted to go with more like of a light pastel-y color so that it would reflect kind of like my girliness. So that is the full kit. Then you have the mini kit, which is these two sheets like this, and then you can have the add-ons are the extra half box or extra full boxes, and then this like weekend kind of functional stuff to add to it. You can get that also. It has been requested that I start adding the date covers to the add-ons like as a drop down so it's easier. So I'm going to start doing that. Just give me some time to get them in the older ones. With that being said, I'm also going to do that with the extra half boxes and the glitter boxes. You'll still be able to find them separately, but I'm going to add all of this to the mini stuff, and then these three to the actual kit listings. And also, if you're into just buying a sheet or two of something, you can buy these you can buy the kit separately by sheet. I also did deco with this one, and so you have just a cute little deco sheet. And then I made a mini version for the little mini planners and like little tiny planners. They're just so cute as like little tiny mini sheets. And yeah, so that is available also. And then I made two die cuts. One of Kat with a rainbow and one of Tigger with a pot of gold, and I just think they turned out really cute. So those are all the new releases. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll check out my shop. See you guys next time. Bye.